Welcome! In this video, we'll go over simple and useful English words that start with the letter G. Each word comes with a short definition and a common example, so you can understand it and use it in real conversations. Let's grow your vocabulary, word by word. Game, something you play for fun or competition. We played a fun board game last night. Girl, a female child or young woman. The girl is reading a book in the park. Goat, an animal with horns that climbs and eats grass. The goat climbed the hill easily. Gold, a yellow metal used for jewelry and money. Her ring is made of pure gold. Good, something positive or of high quality. You did a good job on your homework. Goods, products or items that are bought and sold. The store imports all its goods from Italy. Glass, a hard, clear material used in windows and cups. Be careful, that glass is fragile. Gift, something you give to someone for a special reason. I bought a gift for her birthday. Gift, a natural talent or ability, used especially in a gift for... He has a gift for music. Green, a color like grass or leaves. My favorite color is green. Great, very good or excellent. That was a great movie. Grass, short green plants that cover the ground. The children played on the grass. Gate, a door in a fence or wall. A door is used in buildings, rooms, or vehicles. It's usually attached to a wall and made of wood or metal. A gate is used outside, often in a fence or wall around a garden, yard, or farm. It's also made of wood or metal, but it's part of an outdoor structure. The garden gate is open. Gas, a substance like air, used for fuel. We need to fill the car with gas. Grow, to become bigger, increase in size, or to cultivate something like a plant. Used for people, physically, plants, animals, or even businesses. Children grow very fast. The tree is growing fast. We grow tomatoes in our garden. Grow up, to become an adult, to mature emotionally and mentally. Only used for people, and it refers to the process of becoming older and more mature. I grew up in New York. What do you want to be when you grow up? Goal, something you want to achieve. My goal is to learn English. Gym, a place to exercise or work out. She goes to the gym every morning. Guide, someone who shows you the way or gives information. The guide explained the history of the city. Green, a color or related to nature. The grass is green. Ground. Ground, the surface of the earth. He sat on the ground. Don't lie on the ground, it's dirty. Ground usually refers to the natural surface of the earth, especially outdoors. Floor is the surface you walk on inside a building. Group, a number of people or things together. We worked in a group. Guess, to give an answer without being sure. Can you guess my age? Grandmother, the mother of your father, or mother. My grandmother makes the best cookies. Garden, an area where you grow plants or flowers. She spends every morning in the garden. Glue, a sticky substance used to join things. Use glue to fix the broken toy. Glove, clothing for your hands. Put on your gloves, it's cold outside. Gun, a weapon that shoots bullets. The police officer carried a gun. Guest, someone invited to your home or event. We have a guest staying tonight. Garlic, a strong-smelling plant used in cooking. I always add garlic to my pasta sauce. Gazelle, a graceful, fast animal similar to a deer. We saw a gazelle running across the plain. Gem, a valuable stone, like a diamond or ruby. This ring has a beautiful blue gem. Gills, the parts fish use to breathe underwater. Fish breathe through their gills. Giraffe, a tall animal with a long neck. The giraffe is eating leaves from the tree. Goose, a large bird like a duck, often found near water. Fun fact, why goosebumps? In English, we say goosebumps because when you're cold or scared, your skin looks bumpy, just like the skin of a plucked goose. The tiny raised bumps are caused by your muscles contracting around hair follicles. That song gave me goosebumps. Gorilla, a large, strong ape. The gorilla was sitting quietly in the zoo. Grape, a small, round fruit used to make wine. I love eating green grapes. Grapefruit, a large, sour, citrus fruit. Grapefruit juice is too bitter for me. Gravity, the force that pulls things down to earth. Gravity keeps our feet on the ground. Greasy, covered with or full of oil or fat. My hands are greasy from the fries. Gray, a color between black and white. The sky looks gray today. Gray is the most common word for the color between black and white. Gray is the US spelling. Gray is the British one. Gut, the stomach or belly area, or instinct. I had a gut feeling something was wrong. Gut is informal and often used to talk about your belly or instincts, like gut feeling. But stomach is more common in everyday speech. Guy, an informal word for a man or person. That guy is my teacher. Guitar, a musical instrument with strings. She plays the guitar beautifully. Grotto, a small, picturesque cave, often with a magical or peaceful feeling. We found a beautiful grotto hidden behind the rocks. Gulf, a large area of sea partly enclosed by land. The Gulf of Mexico is very large. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing these G words, and don't forget, every new word is a step forward. See you in the next one.